Hey guys, hi everyone. So in this lecture, I will show you how we can make use of comments, markup and tracking in Microsoft Word. So we'll start with the comments first. So let's say if I want to insert comments, so first of all I need to select some specific text. Then we'll click on new comment. Let's say I've taken a new comment as a hi. Again I have selected some text here. Then new comment. Okay, and then again I have selected specific text. Then new comment. Let's say I've inserted good one. Let's say okay, now if I want to go to the previous comment, so we'll go to the previous, next, next. So you can go to the previous and next from here. If you want to delete comment, one comment only, so we'll click on delete from here. If you want to delete all comments, then delete all comments in document. So all the comments will be deleted. So now we have one more option here, that is a delete all resolved documents. So what is delete all resolved documents? Let's say this comment has been resolved now. So what I will do, I will click on the three dots and then resolve thread. Okay. So now this comment has been resolved. Now this comment I want to delete, then I can go to delete all resolved comments. But first of all, I am showing you where this resolve thread is coming. Basically resolve comments is coming. So what you need to do, you need to click on this filter or markup, and then you need to click on this resolve only. So only resolve comment will come. So now if I am going to delete and then delete all resolved documents, so as you can see that resolved threads will be deleted now. So that is the resolve thread option. Next we have some more option here, that is a track changes. Now what is track changes? Track changes is the very important option in Microsoft Word. Whatever things other person is doing, let's say you have saved this document, if another person is coming and if another person is editing in this document, so all the editing, additions, deletions, whatever that another person has been done, that all things will be seen here. That is the use of track changes. So now we'll put this option on track changes. Now whatever things I am doing here, let's say I'm doing here, and first of all I'm doing this active only comments. Whatever things I am deleting here, again adding here, again adding here, again deleting here, again I'm adding here, again deleting here. So whatever things I'm doing here, so that will be seen here in red color as you can see here. But now let's say for example, if I'm putting this track changes off, so there are chances another person is coming and another person can put this track changes off also. So now what it will be done, now these changes will not be seen here as you can see here. This changes is not been seen. Now Microsoft Word has given one another option here, that is a log tracking. So what that option is doing here, so if another person is trying to put this option off now, so let's say for example I'm doing this log tracking on. So let's say my track changes is on now basically, and now I'm putting log tracking on this. I'm putting a password 123, let's say for example 123. Okay, so now if another person is trying to put this option off, so this option will not be put it off. Why? Because I have set the password with the help of log tracking. So now if I am putting this, see here, whatever changes I am doing here, it will be seen here as you can see here. So this is a very best option which they have given, log tracking. So only thing is that if another person knows the password, then he or she can go to the log tracking and then he or she can put off this option. So that is the only option which is there. So basically it's a very nice option, track changes. So in track changes we have different things here. If you want to accept the changes, you can accept the changes from here and move to next. If you want to reject, then you can reject the changes and you can move to next. So you can accept or reject changes whatever you have done or whatever another person has done. So you can accept or reject changes from here. You can go to the track changes, or you can go to the next track changes, whatever changes has been done. So that was the options. Now we have some more options here in this. So we have active and resolved only. So whatever active and resolved comments that I have showed earlier also, whatever active comments are there, that will be seen, and whatever resolved comments are there, that will be seen. But resolved comments we have deleted, so that will not be seen here now. Now next is the markup option. So in markup we have four varieties. First is the simple markup. So this was a simple markup which we have done previously. Next is the all markup. So whatever markup, basically whatever changes, editing, deletions we have done, so that will be seen here in all markup. Next is the no markup. So no markup will be seen. And next is the original. So whatever previously we were having document, so that will be seen here. Now next is the show markup option. In show markup we have insertions and deletions. So whatever insertions and deletions basically we have done, that will be seen, but I am doing this all markup option on now. Now if I don't want to see this insertions and deletions, so I will click on this insertions and deletions, so it will not be seen here. So if I want to see, again I will clicking and it will be seen now. Next we have a formatting option. Whatever formatting we have done, we don't have any formatting, so that will not be seen here now. Now next we have a balloons. So whatever comments we have inserted, that if I want to see in balloons, then it will be seen in balloons here like this. If I want to see in inline, so it will be seen in line. Or else if I want to see all the things only formatting in balloons, so only formatting, but don't have done any formatting here. So I'm putting this and show all revisions in line. Okay, because we already have these comments here in this. Okay, so now we have another option here, that is a specific people. Basically you can put this option off or on from here. If you want to go to all reviewers, you can go to all reviewers, or if you want to go to only Vivek Chauhan, so only Vivek Chauhan will come. So I am putting to Vivek Chauhan only, so only Vivek Chauhan reviewers will be seen here. Okay, so now next is the next option. We have reviewing pane. So reviewing pane we have two options. If I want to see vertically, so I can see the vertically whatever changes or additions or deletions we have done here. Or else if I want to go to horizontally, so I can see this horizontally also. So but vertical is good actually. If you want to see, then you can see in vertical only. So that was the option which we have discussed in this lecture. Hope you have understood this lecture. We'll meet you in next lecture.